Hello friends, this is your host Rakesh Kumar. In the previous video, we discussed the price channels. In the present video, we will see a few examples of the same. The price mostly moves in the price channels and the resistances line being the supply zone and the support line being the demand zone. The channel may be ascending or a descending one, and it depends upon which type of trend is in force. Like a trend may be an uptrend or a downtrend, same way the channel may be an ascending channel or a descending channel. And just to remind you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you can subscribe to it now to get notifications of the latest video uploads. And if you find this video useful for you, then consider pressing the like button below the video.
But before we begin, let us have a look at the risk disclaimer. It states that the futures, stocks and the options trading involve substantial amount of risk. Your capital is at risk, the losses can exceed the investment. The information is provided as is, and the user of the information assumes the entire risk of any use it may make or permit to be made. So let's get started.
As I said, that the price mostly moves in the form of channels. Here on the screen you can see that this is the 1 hourly chart of the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, and you can see that the price is still moving in an ascending channel. Now this channel here I have brought it out because you see the price is beautifully moving in this channel. And also something to note here is that this level of resistance here, 74.70, is acting as a resistance twice, and the price is making higher lows and same highs. Now if you remember, if the price is making higher lows, that means the price is in an uptrend, but it is making the same level of highs twice, and third time it is trying to go to 74.70 here, this level which we have marked as a resistance. Now you carefully notice that this price here is trying to make a triangle. Now why I'm telling this, because if you see our previous video and if you are following me right till now, then we have already discussed about the price channels, ascending triangles, and this one is forming a beautiful ascending triangle. And what I'm expecting out of it is that the price will test it again and then may again come back here and then break it eventually, then retest this area and then go up. Now this retest can form here or here. Now if this forms here, if this retest comes here, then we have a very beautiful opening for a long trade in the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen on 1 hourly time frame. Because in this case the price will have one is the support of this rising trend line or the channel support line, and also the support of this broken resistance. Now this is a broken resistance. You see friends, now this is a resistance, and we have already learned this part that once a resistance gets broken, like here it gets broken here, then it turns out to be a support in the future. So after break, this resistance is going to become a support. So here it will become a support. I hope you are following me. Now this support after the break is adding to this support also. So this is one support, this is second support, and if the price from the top side comes to here at 74.70, then it will it will become a very good buying opportunity for the long position. And of course your target will be this rising channel resistance line, which will be a dynamic zone of supply. So this is one thing. And now we'll try to see one more example in the same chart. Now this was 1 hourly chart. If we extend this chart to in 4 hourly, do we see the channels in the previous chart? Let's see. Like I said, that the price tends to move in the channel most of the time. Now do you see this one here? This was a downtrending channel, okay, and the price was maintaining these levels for a very long time. And the same way, if you switch to the daily chart, I'll just take away these and then you see here, you join this high with here and this low, and you will notice that the price from here, when it started this channel, it was moving in the same channel for almost from 2014 December to 2016 December, almost for 2 years. Now after that, when it broke higher, still it was trying to move in a channel. Eventually when it broke here, so the price tends to move in channels. Now that is not a new thing to learn, okay. Now we know that the price tends to move in channels. You see here. Now this was one example. We'll switch the chart. Let's say EURGBP, what it says. EURGBP, okay. Most of the time price moves in channels. Now this is not a new thing, but for those who did not know, for them of course it is a new thing. And when the price is going down, then you have to join the highs, not the lows, okay. We don't want to force the channel if it is not there, but if it is there, then of course we want to draw it. Maybe this is the channel because we have to join highs. Now this one looks better, this channel looks better. See how beautifully, and even after breaking, see, if the price breaks below a falling channel support line, then it is an acceleration of descents. It means that the price will now fall freely because it is falling below the demand zone of, it was falling below the demand zone in a downtrend. That means there is no one who is ready to buy at the lower prices, so the price tends to go down, and after retest, see how it behaves. So this channel was very prominent one, I must say, and after this was broken, of course the price will tend to go higher in the channel again. Now this does not qualify as a good channel, but yes, now the price is again moving in a channel currently. I don't think that you can negate it. Of course it is an uptrend now. You see, it is an uptrend till the time price does not reach here in this region, 0.9493 region. It is an uptrend, and if this is an uptrend, then you can take this opportunity to open a buy position in this region. Okay, the price is making higher highs and higher lows. From here the price is making higher highs and higher lows. So now there is a possibility that the price will go like this. So this is a good buy zone, I must say. Earlier this was a resistance, okay, this was a resistance here. See friends, now I am trying to incorporate everything that we have learned till now. We have learned trend lines, channels, higher lows, higher highs, everything. So I'm trying to incorporate everything. See, this was resistance here, then this was resistance here, then it acted as a support here after break, and again after it acted as a support here. Now it is reaching in confluence of support. So this is the area of confluence of support. This is 4-hourly chart. I'm saying that if the price fails to close below this channel support line, then it is going to be a very good buying opportunity with the targets approximately up to 0.9300 to 0.9320 levels. So this is going to be a good area as a buy area. Okay, one can open a buy position here with a small stop loss below 0.8988, and it can give you a good trading opportunity. So this is how you trade the channels, but my humble opinion, not humble opinion, but my request to you is that if you are going to trade the channels, then there are a few things that you have to keep in mind. First thing is that when you are trading an uptrending channel, okay, you don't have to open sell positions at the resistance. In the uptrend you only look for the buying positions, and in a downtrend you only look for the sell position. So how you could have traded this channel when you had noticed that this channel, now next time the price comes to a buy position, you only open a buy position. When the price goes to the resistance zone, say here, you book your profits and you don't open a sell position. Okay, do not sell here. Okay, I'll turn it into bold because this is very important. You do not sell here. Okay, you, of course, you have to buy here. You have to buy here, but you do not have to sell there. Okay, that is the thing. But on the other hand, if the price would have been a downtrending market, then you could have sold at the resistance zone and bought back or covered your position at the support, but do not buy in the downtrending market. I hope that this makes you clear how to trade the channels. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment box, and if you did not press the like button yet, you can press it now. If you like the video, if you have any other questions about any other patterns, about channels, trend lines, or whatever we have discussed in the previous 20 videos, you are free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer those questions in the next video. Thank you very much for being with me. Stay cool.